What's up guys, Motogray here. Today, DIY weekend na naman ho tayo. So yung gagawin natin is pipinturahan natin ang tambucho ni Kaiju. So I am using the JVT version 3 ng JVT exhaust muffler system or JVT exhaust system. So it's almost 3 years ko na itong ginagamit guys, and so far I am really satisfied of this muffler exhaust, no. Gagawin ho natin is i-repaint natin siya. So DIY lang, nothing complicated on the process. So ang gagawin lang ho natin is we will remove the existing paint. So scrape to metal talaga. We will not do light sanding. So i-remove talaga natin totally yung existing na pintura, scrape to metal. So ayan, and then papalitan natin na matte black high temperature na Pilox or yung spray na Samurai spray paint. So you can buy it online. So nabili ko lang to online guys, napakamura. So check nyo lang ho yung Samurai high temp na H2 na spray paint. So ayan. So yung proseso lang is first is we will remove the existing paint, and then remove talaga down to scrape to metal talaga, and then we will wash it, no, for detail. And then for surface preparation, and then application of first coat ng Samurai paint, and then second coat. So ganun lang ho yun ka simple guys. So, I've been doing this type of approach in terms of pag repaint ng tambucho, and so far okay naman yung resulta. So ayan, check nyo lang ho guys, and we'll see. First coat, first coat. Alright, that's it guys, no? And sana may nakuha kayo kahit pa paano. So, napaka-simple lang ho ng process na to. So, if you will do it in your own motorcycle, you can always do that guys. Napaka-simple lang. So, kung wala kayong grinder, you can do it on a sandpaper. Maybe try 120 na sandpaper first, and then 420, and then 1000. So, para higher grit papunta sa lower grit na sandpaper. So, you can always do that, guys. So, ayun. So far, been satisfied also with the Samurai H2 paint. So, ayan. Kita nyo naman yung resulta. So, ayun. That's it. So, kung bago pa kayo sa channel na to, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe para sa mga next pa natin na mga motograi features, DIY videos, and other stuffs. Don't forget, peace!
3, go!